And welcome to my first episode of BTD6. Today I'll be playing with my brother. So today we'll be just playing maybe some Cubism. And let's try Magic Monkeys Only. I'm going to just wait for him for a little bit. And I'll unpause the recorder when he comes back. And there he is. He is back. Okay. So it's only $40 we get when we finish this. But $40 is still big buck when you're now starting. Okay, so I know Calvin is really good with Detroit, yeah. Not so good, yes. I'm just put down that. Oh, look, he's sending me cash. Nice. So I don't have much upgrades yet. Set it a new account. Oh no, oh no. Okay, that's okay. Yeah. Wait, why did he sell him? I'm gonna save up for Ninja this one. Why did he sell him? Why did he sell him? Oh no, I'm gonna leak a few more lines. I'm not too sure why he sold them, but okay. There we are. See if Sharp Shuriken's after. Not too sure why he didn't put him in the link. But he's throwing this game right now. Okay, he wanted to save for Alchemist. Okay. See, okay, so Sharp Shuriken allows to pop 4 balloons each. And then when I get Seeking Shuriken after, it could stack up. I could do more damage. Another one coming out. Should be killed by the Alchemist when he comes back. Right. There we go. Now he has gotten I can't remember the first upgrade is, but he's gotten some more potions. To help us. Soon I should be able to get double shot. And that's going to be very good. There we go. And boom. There we go. Now we have double shot. While we upgrade. Do I get counter traps or double shot first? Well, currently it's not giving me the now I'm getting the acidic mixture dip effect. It throws a helpful potion at nearby monkeys and allows them to pop their balloons and do extra damage to ceramic and more glass balloons. Wears off after several attacks. It's a really good monkey if you ask me. Later on in his upgrade path, you can also get permanent bro. So I'm going to get back up. We need a few more lives there. I'm going to see if I get double shot and I'll be back. Okay, I just got enough to get double shot. You know, so far I think we're doing okay. The start was kind of rough, but hey, we can still pull this game back together. Now that I have double shot, we should be pretty good. I think next I'm gonna have to get a druid or put down Quincy. He's requesting for cash, but I gotta put down Quincy first. Whatever I have, I'll send him. There he goes. Yes, you are Quincy, son of Quincy. Indeed you are. Okay, so he's leveling up. He's level 4. See what level he has to get his second ability. Level 10. Okay. He should get that soon. Lead to gold. Okay. Yeah, that's a good one. So Kevin, his effect allows me to pop. The acidic mixture dip allows me to pop ceramics and leads. So I think I'm going to put down a wizard monkey right here. Allow me to fit it in. Come on. Right there. Come on. Just a little more. Just a little more. Come on, come on, come on. And blue. Oh my goodness. Come on, come on. Come on. Ah, there we go. I have no upgrades for him. There we go. So intense magic and monkey sense. So you can detect camels. Guided magic and arcane blast. And there we go. Fireball, wall of fire. Let's give it a sec for the upgrade. Intense magic and monkey sense. Let's buy count traps. Nothing is safe to say that we are rolling. We're not in cash, but in pops. Let's see if I put in the wrong thing. I could have put in the alchemist. There we go. Larger potions. Acidic mixture dip. Well, it's a mouthful sometimes. Okay, let's save for Berserker cover. And then we're gonna be really good. And I think next time I want stronger 7. So I used them before in a couple other rounds. The alchemist is really good to boost your towers. Oh no. Oh no, things are getting by. A lot of things are by. And Quincy deals with them. Nothing to worry. Okay, he put down his open green foot. He's kind of a melee tower, I think. Okay, no, he shoots his projectiles. Oh, those are my shurikens. I'm not too sure what Oben actually does. Oh, okay, just now I saw it. He shoots blue crystals. Crystal looking things. So I just bought strongest stimulant. There we go. It just makes his effect stronger. And that's my quicker throw. I think next we'll get Perishing Potion, which allows attack positions deal more damage to more class balloons and strip fortified of smaller balloons. Also strength, bruise, and stimulants. So that is very good. So now Kevin's druid he just put down. It's open growing foot and my ninja monkey. And this was the monkey here. Oh, super boosted. now will be a whole lot more better. Okay, so he just put on ultimate fan, let go, and rub it to go. He really likes that upgrade because he thinks they will solve all of our problems. Do I get the super monkey? Oh no! Oh no, why did I do that? Did I have a mistake? Needs to just a dragon. Oh, I see that. Never mind. I think I'll have the dragon drop it. It's the issue. Oh, everything. I was able up. The Quincy does with that. And I got a new super monkey. So I've never really played with a super monkey before. I think he's super expensive, but why not now? I think we may go for laser blast first, and then super range and epic range. What is it? Dark champion. Ah, that's super expensive. Whoa, 300,000. That is a lot of money. Prince of Darkness. Yeah, there's a wizard monkey. There we go. Can afford to get that. That's fine. He just looks like Superman, if I'm going to be honest. We can upgrade my thing again. Not. Go ahead and shimmer first. He does kind of. My brother doesn't have. He already has the unpop army, so I think I'll go for Arcane Mastery and then Arcane Spike or Summon Phoenix. Down here. Arcane Mastery, Firewall, and Wildfire. This guy can have an upgrade. Think I save a Plasma Blast first. A Ninja Monkey has an upgrade. He can get Flash Bomb or I can save for Balloon Jutsu. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Get Balloon Jutsu and then Balloon Grandmaster. He's very, very bad. Oh, okay, so my original alchemist is not reaching anything at this point. Now they are finally getting some boost. That's gonna do very good for me. She's boosting. Are you boosting, buddy? I'm not seeing you boosting this wizard monkey here. Yeah, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so it's now round 63 and we had to deal with our first BFB last round. However, I forgot to unport. Basically all I did from then was put in another ninja monkey. I got them up to double shot and cloud trap. And soon, hopefully, I should be able to afford a Balloon Jutsu. that makes him shoot 5. What is this? Counter espionage. Should not be tactics. Blue sabotage. Grab saboteur. That seems cool. And I could finally get him to plasma bath. Oop, I can't afford it. Let's save for that. And I have myself my very first plasma bath. So now these two. Oh, one strongest stimulant. I think I get this one first. Do I sell this wizard? I don't think I need him. Up, like a PFP. And we win. I guess I get super range. And we can't get epic range yet. That's okay. I'm gonna wait till I can afford super range. Yeah, see what I mean about everything being super expensive for the super monkey. But he is very strong though, so. There we go. Now we have epic range and super range unlocked. All I need to do now is save my money. There we go. I think we're going to beat it. I'll be back with you when we reach round 75. Okay, so unfortunately, okay, we were just having some technical difficulties. My brother is disconnected. Let's hope that doesn't happen again. So now it's round 73. I got 2 druids here. Each have up to Heart of Thunder and Heart of Oak, because that's all what I have. Let's see what I can upgrade. I don't think I can upgrade anything at the moment. That's okay. Let's see how far my ninja monkey has to go again. Okay, so he doesn't have to go that much, so he can get 1600 XP. Oh, what did I just do? Nope. Oops. I clicked that by mistake. Yeah. So Quincy has reached level 10. So he has unlocked his second ability. Should be super helpful when fighting his OMG, which is at round 18. So let's hope we can do this. Don't think I need cash at the moment, so I'll send it to him. There we go. Okay, he's giving me back. Okay, he did something with the tendon. Oh, he got himself a little super monkey. Okay, nice. Here comes another BSB. Oh no. Well, Quincy's just gonna handle that like a boss. Quincy would have been a whole lot more useful if I put him like right here. So maybe some up here. But hey, I already did it. Yeah, what's up? I'm just gonna buy that. Son of Quincy. Yep, we know. Okay, so Wow, that's a lot of them. Oh my goodness, I got these super monkeys. Oh, I forgot to buy that. Now we have big range. I can see everything in the front bit. I can buy new upgrades of him. So I can buy the Robo Monkey. Let's see if it is Sun Avatar. No, I started watching BTD6 before I decided to get it. A lot of people say that the Sun Avatar, they create some really big sun god thing. I kind of like the Robo Monkey. He looks so much more cooler. I forgot that I needed to buy it. Oops. Okay, he's sending me cash. That's nice. That's all cash. There we go. Good. The Robo Monkey. Oh, he has one too. I'm just gonna buy this when I can. Oh, Quincy. And they got. So you have to say it's a good bit. Round 29. So next round, we're going to have to fight against the Zoo MG. So I can get my Arcane Spike. No, I think I'm gonna save for the Summon Phoenix. Look at this big tree. I know who put. Yeah, that was put down. I think he may have put it on with his ability here. Your wall of trees. Summons a wall of tree across the track that destroys all balloons that enter. Sorry. When full, the tree bursts into money. I think it may be full. That looks kind of full if you ask me. And finally, we can get balloon jutsu. Oops, there it is. Oh no. But we got him. Yes. Victory. So I am player. Which player am I? We haven't gotten to change our usernames yet. I'm player 1, yeah. I placed 12 towers at a pop count of 167,000. Wow, he had a higher pop count. He actually generated cash. Mobs popped, I got more. That was fun. Thank you for watching. And if you want more with Calvin, let me know. Bye.